Principal Vela, thank you for hopping on today. Really appreciate it.
I'm happy to join.
Yeah, so your campus was chosen. Your campus is kicking off our Campus Close-Up series where we highlight all the great things happening at our schools. First question's easy. Tell me, how long have you been the principal at Pin Oak Middle School?
I've been the principal for 4 years. This is going to be my 5th year.
Wonderful. How are you? I mean, we're in the first week of school, now the second week of school. How are you feeling going into the school year?
We feel great going into the school year. My kids are excited. My teachers are ready. Parents are thrilled. They've been participating and volunteering for the last several weeks at Charger Camp with school uniforms. And so just as a school community, I'm confident that this year is going to be even better than last.
Very nice. Speaking of your parents, I actually read your PTO of the year, correct?
Yes, they were selected in HISD as PTO of the year. Very proud of them last year.
Wonderful. Can you talk to me a little bit about that relationship and kind of how you work with them and kind of what they do to help support your school?
Absolutely. And so we have a very strong school community, very involved parents in all different facets as it comes to supporting the campus, supporting the students and our teachers. They run our school store. They help with the school newsletter. They are going to participate in Color Run, in Charger Fest, in Charger Camp, and all different school-related events. You will see parents on my campus each and every day.
Wonderful. For maybe a family who's not familiar with your campus or they're new to the school this year, or new to the district, what's something about your campus that you would say is just something really that maybe you can't tell from just going to your website, that just really stands out, maybe about a program or a club or just something that makes Pin Oak just truly unique?
So everyone knows Pin Oak by our academic performance. You definitely also know Pin Oak through our fine arts, but what a lot of people may not know is that we are the premier foreign language magnet in HISD. And so we have 6 languages that we offer here at Pin Oak. We've grown the program as my time as principal by 62%. So much so that every single one of my 6th graders right now is participating in what we call the language wheel. And so each 6 weeks, they are going to experience one of the languages. So that way, at the end of their 6th grade year, they pick the language or languages that they're going to focus on for their 7th and 8th grade years. Something else that many families probably don't know about our campus is that over 85% of my 8th graders will leave with at least 1 or more high school credits. Last year alone, I had several students leave Pin Oak already classified as a sophomore in high school because we have 15 high school credits. So we have grown our high school credit program exponentially. And so when I first joined Pin Oak, there were 8 high school credit offerings, and now we're up to 15.
Wow, that is amazing. A big thing that we've been talking about here in the district, obviously, is our the accountability ratings that just came out recently, and we've been talking about, we've seen so much improvement around the district. Pin Oak, though, has been straight A's all across, right? All across, right?
It has, and I really want to, just really speak to the work of my teachers and my kids. There is a lot of perception out there that there's a matrix in order to get into Pin Oak, and there simply isn't. You apply, and based on a lottery, I have children that come to us from all around HISD. They come to us with various needs, and yet every single year the teachers on this campus are able to meet those needs, to close those gaps, and to continue to just break that glass ceiling and do what so many say that can't be done with children. And so I'm proud of them. It's just a testament to the level of expertise and the instruction that we see each and every day in each classroom here at Pin Oak.
Wonderful. Well, we're going to be out of your campus all this week telling the great stories from your campus community and letting people know just how great Pin Oak is. But before we go on this call here, just any last message you want to your families and your students, just any message at all as we start this new school year?
I just want to thank you all for all of your support. The last 2 days have been exceptional. The kids have been great. Teachers are excited. When you walk the halls, you feel the energy, the positivity. The campus culture is alive and well. Parents have been here the last 2 days. I'm excited for what this year is going to bring. And I just want to remind everybody that we are Pin Oak and we are the Charger Nation, and we will continue to rise above and do great things and see just the fruits of our labor. And I just am so excited to support this campus and to serve this community.
Wonderful. And we're so excited to share those great stories about your campus community. Again, thank you for hopping on this afternoon. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.